Ọ̀kan lára ìṣòro tí àwọn ọba tí bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹ nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn tí wọ́n máa ń kojú ó ní ìṣòro wàhálà ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ èyí tí ó máa ń mú lọ́bọ̀lọ́bọ̀ dání nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn tuntun Ọba Rashidi Ladoja wọ́n ti wá gbé ìgbésẹ̀ alágbára kan. Kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ tí kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn gbé? Ọba tuntun Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn Ọba Rashidi Ladoja wọ́n ti gbé ìgbìmọ̀ ẹlẹ́ni 5 kalẹ̀ láti ṣèwádìí máa rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ mọ́ ilẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Bóyá wọ́n gbalẹ̀ ẹnìkan o, ẹnìkan ló lẹ̀ ẹnìkan o, wọ́n wọlé ẹnìkan o, ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ ò ní àwọn ìgbìmọ̀ yìí ò ní wọ́n máa mójútó. Ọjọ́ wo ni kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn ni wọ́n wá gbé ìgbìmọ̀ yìí kalẹ̀? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn tó tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ láti ààfin Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, a mú wá fún yín, a sì fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́. The Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Rashidi Ladoja, has set up a 5-man committee to tackle the menace of land grabbing in the ancient city, Ibadan. The ex-governor of Oyo State, who was crowned as the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land last month, noted that hard times await land grabbers who are giving Ibadan a bad reputation across the globe. The traditional ruler made these declarations on Tuesday while inaugurating the 5-member committee of legal practitioners at Olubadan Palace located at Okearema in Ibadan land. The event was attended by the Gbógun of Ibadan, Ọba Tajudeen Ajibola Ọ̀tún Gbógun of Ibadan land, Ọba Kọ́lá Adégbọlá Ọ̀tún Olubadan the Senate, Ọba Ẹdí Oyèwọlé Fọ̀kọ̀ Òsì Balógun of Ibadan land, Ọba Olúbùnmi Ìṣíòyè Dàda Òsì Olubadan the Senate, Ọba Abíọ́dún Kọ́ládàísí Aṣípa Olubadan the Senate, Ọba Hamidu Ajibade ẹ̀kẹrin Balógun, Ọba Hakeem Adéwọ̀yìn ẹ̀kẹrin Olubadan the Senate, Ọba Adébáyọ̀ Àkàndé. The Bobajiro of Ibadan land, former Oyo State Head of Service Chief Tajudeen Aremu and Ajiroba Professor Soji Adejumo. The committee comprises Chief Niyi Akintola SAN, Barrister Musbau Adetunbi SAN, Sam Yinka Okunade, Rahman Abiodun Abdulrahim, and Tunji Thomas. The traditional ruler charged the committee to coop anybody from any profession, including town planning, survey, security agencies, the bar, and bench, who could assist in giving them sufficient green light to fight the scourge. Ladoja, who noted that he was disturbed by the bad reputation the menace of land grabbing is giving Ibadan land, charged the committee with the task of tackling the problem of land grabbing from the legal perspective. Ladoja stated that both the Oyo State government and the Olubadan in council were on the same page in ridding Ibadan of the menace of land grabbing. He said, and I quote, "Land grabbing is like an interlocking web of complex connections involving diverse interests that needs to be unraveled. I know each of you very well. While we entertain no illusion as to the gravity of your responsibility, I have no doubt in my mind that you have the capacity to carry out the responsibility." Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tó jáde láti ààfin kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn lórí ìgbìmọ̀ tí kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn Ọba Rasheed Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀, òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ tí a mú wá yẹn. Kí ni ìwòye àti èrò tiyín lórí eléyìí? Ẹ fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí.